Today, we're exploring a financing program from Farm Credit Canada, FCC, designed to help agribusinesses grow, diversify, and thrive in the Canadian agriculture and food sector. FCC offers tailored financial solutions for businesses that provide inputs or add value to agriculture, such as crop input suppliers, equipment manufacturers, feed processors, and grain handlers. Whether you're starting up, expanding, or managing your operation, FCC provides flexible financing options, including loans for real property, equipment and inventory, expansion and construction, diversification, and mergers and acquisitions. With over 65 years in the industry and a portfolio exceeding $47 billion, FCC combines financial expertise with deep agricultural knowledge to support your business's unique needs. If you're looking to invest in your agribusiness's future, FCC's financing programs could be the opportunity you've been seeking.